Hi guys, welcome to this short video about the question how we can change the names of a lot of files at once in Windows. But here we are not talking about the normal name, here we are talking about the ending, we are talking about the extension. The problem which we have here is that these files have the ending PS, but actually these are video files, and PS usually stands for PostScript printer instruction files. So what we have to do, we just need to rename them to AVI or MP4 or something like that, and then we can just play them as video files with a double click. So how to change the endings of all these files here from PS to, for example, MP4. Unfortunately, we can't do that here on the Windows Explorer. Usually when we want to change the names in bulk, we can just mark everything like with Ctrl A or with Shift or whatsoever, and then we can right click or hit F2 and we can change the name, for example, to Birdfeeder Videos. I click here and you can see it's changing all the names. That's really nice, but now we want to change the endings of all of them to MP4 and hit enter. You can see, yeah, nothing happens. I can even refresh. You can see the files stay on PS. So what we need here is to have all the files which we want to change in one directory, and then we copy the path with right click here, copy address as text, and then we hit the Windows key and type CMD, hit enter, and here we type CD space, and then we hit Ctrl V to paste the path. We hit enter, and then we are here. You can see we can type dir, hit enter. We see all the files, and then we can use the rename command. That's REN. And so what we want to do is to change everything, which means star. Then we type dot, and the ending which we want to change. Of course, here we could also use star. Doesn't matter. But we want to change them to MP4, and that's already it. Rename star PS to star MP4. We hit enter. We don't get any confirmation, but we have seen that already here in the back. If it doesn't show, you can refresh and we can click on that. You can see it's playing just because we have changed the ending. So this is how easy this is. Unfortunately, it seems it's not working on the File Explorer. After so many years, we still have to use the DOS commands, but at least as long as we have them, we can still use them. Of course, there are a lot of tools which you can download, even some free tools. A lot of these tools have many more options, but it's always a risk to download and install and use so-called free tools. So I wanted to show you an option without installing any additional software. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video. If you have any questions or comments or better solutions, then just let us know down in the feedback area. I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching. See you next time.